Everyone, I hope you are all doing good and safe. I welcome you all to the P Block Elements MCQ session. Let's start the session. The first question is the stability of plus 1 oxidation state among aluminum, gallium, indium, and thallium increases in the sequence. Before you identify the answer, you have to know the group, right? So these elements belong to group 13 elements. If oxidation state is plus 3, then it will be decreases down the group. Here they have given oxidation state plus 1. So it will increases down the group. So the order will be thallium has the maximum stability than indium. Indium has more stability than gallium. Gallium has more stability than aluminum. So the option A is correct. Next we move on to another question. The percentage of lead in lead pencil is dash. So you have to know whether the pencil consists of lead or not. We know that the lead consists of graphite and clay. There is no lead presence. So due to the absence of lead, the percentage will be 0. Option C is correct. Here you have equations. On heating Na2B4O7 10H2O, it gives X. On further heating X, you will get Y plus Z. So you have to know the reactions, right? So when you heat Na2B4O7 10H2O, it will leads to the formation of Na2B4O7. On further heating Na2B4O7, it will leads to the formation of NaBO2 and B2O3. Here X is Na2B4O7 and Y will be NaBO2 and Z is B2O3. Now you find the answer, right? Next we move on to another questions. Orthoboric acid contains dash. So you have to know the formula for orthoboric acid, right? So the formula for orthoboric acid is H3BO3. If you draw the structure of H3BO3, it appears triangular BO3 3 minus units. So the answer is D, triangular BO3 3 minus units. Carbon and silicon belong to fourth group. The maximum coordination number of carbon is commonly occurring compound is 4, whereas that of silicon is 6. This is due to dash. Now you have to find out the answer. Okay, we already know that carbon has 4 valence electron, so it is bonded to 4 electrons, right? It does not enter d orbital, but for silicon it will enter in d orbital. So the answer is availability of low lying d orbitals in silicon. So the option A is correct due to the presence of d orbitals in silicon. Carbon monoxide behave as dash. So we already know that in coordination compound, carbon monoxide act as ligands. We know that ligand has the property as electron donor. So any substance which donates electron pair is said to be Lewis base. So carbon monoxide behave as Lewis base. Option B is correct. The structure of diborane contains dash. Here you have to find out how many 2 carbon 2 electron bonds and how many 3 carbon 2 electron bond formed in diborane. Okay, before that you have to write the structure. It is a banana bond or bridge bond. Okay, here hydrogen which is bonded to boron, it is 3 centered 2 electron. Like that, in this hydrogen also 3 centered. So here you have 2 3 centered 2 electron bond, and you have 4 2 carbon and 2 electron bond, because BH bond is 4. There is 2 centered 2 electron bonds. So the option A is correct. 4 2 carbon 2 electron bonds and 2 3 carbon 2 electron bonds formed. Next we move on to another question. Carborundum is dash. Here you have to find out the carborundum structure or formula. So if you know the formula, you can click the options. So the answer is A, SiC. Next, inorganic benzene is dash. Here you have options for which one is known as inorganic benzene, or you can identify the which structure is similar to the benzene. Okay, if you write, we know that B2H6 is not inorganic benzene, and B. If you draw the structure, then you will get the benzene-like structure. So the option B is correct. So I hope you will understand these questions. It will be helpful for your practice for your NEET exams. Thank you.